The California Special makes its debut at the other side of the big pond, joining the Mustang GT and Mustang Mach-1 on the European markets. It is now finally arriving in Europe, offered exclusively as a convertible with a folding soft top, channeling the spirit of iconic 1968 original. Some of the design highlights include a new honeycomb-style front grille, lower side stripes in black, a larger front splitter, and optional rear side air scoops. Special CSGT badges all around identify the sports car as a special model. Available in 9 exterior colors, the Mustang California Special for Europe rides on 19-inch wheels finished in gray. The standard equipment for the model includes heated and cooled front seats, aluminum trim on the dashboard, 8-inch touchscreen display with SYNC3 infotainment system, adaptive cruise control, pre-collision assist, and others. Under the hood, there's a 5-liter naturally aspirated engine, the same unit also used in the Mustang GT and Mustang Bullitt. In the European specification of the California Special, however, it is slightly detuned compared to the US model, 450 horsepower and 390 pound-feet versus 460 horsepower and 420 pound-feet. 2 gearbox options are available: a standard 6-speed manual with rev-matching technology and a 10-speed automatic. Depending on the transmission, the Mustang California Special sprints from 0 to 62 miles per hour, 0-100 kilometers per hour, in 4.8 and 4.5 seconds, respectively. Just like the Mustang Bullitt, the new Special Edition open-top comes with a standard limited slip differential. Optionally available is the MagnaRide suspension system, which adapts automatically to the driving conditions.